Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to get back deleted messages on WhatsApp without a backup application downloaded. Well, it's actually very simple because the backup application is actually on your phone, especially if you have Android, so you don't have to need to download an application in and of itself. Just go ahead and go to Files or File Manager and just click on well, let me just do this one more time here. Just click on agree and continue. And you're going to be finding it here, the WhatsApp. And on the WhatsApp, you can basically see a lot of the deleted files. You can just basically click on one of these and you can just basically back up and restore. So click on backup and restore, and that'll fix the problem for you. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.